Thanks again, Mr. Krabs. I checked the freezer, the spare freezer, the backup freezer, the extra freezer, the rear freezer, the micro freezer, and the freezer under the stairs.
What about the freezer in the attic?
We don't have an attic.
No attic?
You sold it, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Now what are they saying, Karen? Karen?
I have no idea.
What? I thought you said you could read lips.
I can, but you took my telescope away.
Well, that settles it, SpongeBob. We're just gonna have to make a fresh...
A fresh batch of... Oh, this is good. This is real good.